Sige, sige.
Product of binomial. Binomial. A binomial is a polynomial with two terms. Example of two terms. 5y cubed minus 3. This is the first term, and this is the second term. So, it's called binomial. Sa binomial, gagamit tayo ng for method. So, F means first, the O is outer, and the I is inner, and the N is last term. So, we have the example of A plus B are first term plus times C plus D are the second term. So, in our first term, we have A times C, so then 1. Then our outer is A times D, the outer and the outer, second term. We have AD. And the first term we have the inner is B times the inner term of the second term is C. We have BC. So the last term and the last is B times D. These are last term, inner, first, then O. So this is BD. So the product is, we have to solve this one. So A, B are first term, AB is our O, DC is our inner, BC is our last. So this is the answer of our example A plus B times C plus D.
Example of product in binomial. 2x plus y times x plus 2y. We use foil. Firm, out, inner, and black. So, this is the first 2x and x. 2x times x equals 2x squared. Plus the outer 2x times 2y equals 4xy. Next, the inner y times x equals xy. And the last term
Here is y times 2y. So the answer is So we combine the like terms. We are the 4xy and the xy. So 4xy plus xy is 5xy. So what is the 2x squared? 2x squared plus 4xy and the x plus 4xy plus xy is equal to